So all these facts to draw histogram is ready, in which we shall use exclusive class intervals and frequency table. On x-axis, I have shown all these exclusive class intervals using 2 centimeter equal to 5 unit on x-axis, and here is frequencies. Those are also shown using 2 centimeter equal to 5 units. Now, to show this histogram, I have to draw now histogram. So for the first class interval, as we are seeing 0.5 to 5.5, this is 20 and 20 is here. From here we draw the vertical line, then we draw these two vertical line, and here it is joined. Second is 5.5 to 10.5, frequency is 5. So this frequency is here. From here we have drawn this line, and it is joined here. That is joined there, 10.5. Third class interval is 10.5 to 15.5. 10.5 to 15.5. Take care, here is 12. So between 10 and 15, there are 20 small millimeter division. So what are you saying? 20 small millimeter division equal to, we say 20 small millimeter division equal to 5. So 5 unit equal to 20 small millimeter division. We need 2. 10 till here we can write, we can take, but for 2, how many millimeter division you will take? So for that we will calculate. So for that 20 into 2 by 5. 5 4 ja 20. 4 2 ja 8. 8 millimeter division we will count from here. Suppose total is 20. Here is 10. And we take 8. Suppose it came here. So just front of this, we will draw the line to join this line, and after that we produce this line till 15.5 and we draw this line. So at this place you have to take care, while we are not getting the complete number, then what is the smaller number? 12 is the incomplete number that we are not getting on frequency table. 10 we are getting, so we need more 2. For more 2 we will go through this kind of division on millimeter. And I repeat, this is 20 millimeter division. Between 2 centimeter you will get 20 millimeter division. So 5 unit equal to 20 millimeter division, because this shows the 5 unit. 5 unit equal to 20 millimeter division. So this 2 unit equal to how many millimeter division? 20 into 2 by 5. So we got this much, 8 millimeter division. And now we count 8 from here. Suppose this is 10, that is the middle point. 8 came here. Just front of this using scale, we have drawn this line, joined this line and this line. This became 12. This shows the frequency 12. At the last class interval, that is 15.5 to 20.5, its frequency is 15. So 15 is the complete number. No need to find any millimeter division for that. From here we draw this rectangle. So our histogram is ready. Now we will draw the frequency polygon. That is very easy process to draw now. Since this is not starting from 0, you choose the middle point of this. This is 2 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be the middle point. Suppose it came here, and use the middle point of these lines also. Middle point. This width is 2 centimeter. Middle point will lie on 1 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. Middle point lie on 1 centimeter from here. This is 2 centimeter. Middle point will lie on 1 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. So middle point will lie on 1 centimeter from here. And similarly, you choose the middle point of this class interval also. Suppose that middle point came here. So the first we join these two, this middle point and this middle point, using scale, but draw the dotted line. Now you join these 2 points, use scale to join, but draw the real line. Join these 2 points, use real line. use scale to join these points. Now these 2 points, use scale to join this with real line. And again last line, this middle point and this middle point, to join this use scale and draw the dotted line. So what are we seeing in frequency polygon? We use the middle point of all these rectangles. Since, one more thing, since we are using the histogram, so before the first rectangle, you choose the middle point of this gap. This is 2 centimeter, middle point will be 1 centimeter. And after the last rectangle, you choose the middle point of this 2. This is 2 centimeters, so middle point will be here. And these 2 should be joined, these 2 points should be joined with dotted line, these 2 should be joined with dotted line, and middle, all these points should be joined in real line. Use scale to join all these, and this became the frequency polygon. Now in the second part, this process without using histogram, if it is mentioned in the question, without using histogram you draw the frequency polygon, then how will you draw? We will see in the next part. In this part, now we will see how will we draw frequency polygon without using histogram. So first class interval is 0.5 to 5.5. This much process will remain same. Either you use histogram or you do not use histogram. If class intervals are given in inclusive form, then you change those class intervals into exclusive form. This is important for both the processes. So according to this, first class interval became 0.5 to 5.5 and the frequency is 20. Just we come to 20. Use middle point of this width is 2 centimeter, so middle point will be here, and go through this line, go along this line to point here, give a point. Second is 5.5 to 10.5, frequency polygon is 5, so this is 5.5 to 10.5. use middle point, go along this line and give point here. This is the middle point above the middle point of this class interval. This is the point, this is the middle point, this middle point. From there we have gone through the straight line above, and just front of 5, it may come little above here. You will use scale, so this will come accurately on the line. And now third is 10.5, 15.5, frequency polygon is, frequency is 12. 10.5 to 15.5, frequency polygon is 12. So here again, which process we have used to find this millimeter division for 2, the same process we will use to find the millimeter division for 2, that will be 8. I have calculated in the first process, that will be 8. So here is 10, now more 8 we have to count. From here to here there are 20 millimeter division, 8 may be here, come front of this. Suppose you came here and this became the middle point. So give point here. Now last is 15.5 to 20.5. This frequency is 15. 15.5 to 20.5, frequency is 15. Just come using the middle point. This became the middle point, come above and just front of 15, because the frequency is 15, you give a point. Now what will you do? Use scale to join all these middle points. Second, third, this. In this, while you are not using the histogram, no need to draw the imaginary line at the first and at the last. Only you join these middle points. So this became the process how to draw histogram without using this histogram. So the basic facts will be the same. Those basic facts. If the class intervals are given in inclusive form, we will change that into exclusive form. Then we come to, if the class interval is not starting from 0, then between the first class interval that starts from 0, and this is the lower limit of the first class interval. Between this we use the kink mark, and after that we find the middle points of this, and we go to match with the frequency. We use the middle point, we go to match with the frequency. We find the middle point, we went to match with the frequency, that is 12. And again I repeat, for this 2 unit we go through this way, since 5 unit equal to 20 millimeter division. So 2 unit equal to how many? That will come, as per your calculation, that will come 8. So from here you will count 8 millimeter division. It may come here, front of this you give a point. And the last is, from front you give this point, and last is this frequency is 15. For this class interval 15.5 to 20.5. Just find the middle point, go to match with the 15. Here you give the middle point. Now use scale to join all these middle points. This became the frequency polygon without using histogram.